A North Dallas salon owner says that she will ignore a citation and a cease and desist order, in fact, from the city to shut down. That salon owner is openly defying emergency orders that non-essential businesses remain closed during the COVID-19 crisis. CBS 11's J.D. Miles tonight with that story.
It didn't take long for Dallas police officers to arrive minutes after Shelley Luther opened the doors at the Salon A La Mode off Beltline Road.
I'm not doing anything criminal, so they cannot arrest me.
The officers left the first time without taking action. The salon opened and welcomed customers despite orders from the county and state for non-essential businesses to remain closed. There were a handful of people outside the salon supporting the owner's decision, which she says was made despite the risk of a stiff fine.
I want them to know we have rights, but if you cannot afford to pay us and feed our families and help us because the systems are so backlogged, then you have to let us work.
Other salon owners who remain closed and are losing money say it's not fair if those who defy the order are not punished. Stephanie Randall operates her own salon in North Dallas and normally sees 7 clients a day. For more than a month, she says she's had no income while adhering to COVID-19 regulations that have kept hairstylists like her from working.
I feel pressure from my clients wanting a haircut and wanting me to cut their hair now.
This afternoon, authorities paid another visit to Salon A La Mode, this time with a citation that comes with a fine of up to $1,000. The owner says she plans to fight it and continued operating.
I'm not paying this.
Later, she received a cease and desist order to close, which she says she will also ignore. In Dallas, J.D. Miles, CBS 11 News.
On Tuesday, just like the 4 days before it, the staff at Salon A La Mode saw clients. As they got haircuts, owner Shelley Luther got her second legal order to close, and we talked to her soon after.
I don't really have a response yet because I don't know what they're asking. I know that I'm not closing the salon.
What the city of Dallas is asking, well, demanding, is in this temporary restraining order. Luther is immediately ordered to close the business to comply with state, county, and local rules. Dallas County District Judge Eric Moyer set it to expire May 12th. By staying open, Luther's in contempt of court.
That means I have to go to jail. I'll go.
It's not her first act of defiance. At a rally last Saturday, Luther ripped up a cease and desist order from Dallas County. She's also drawn the attention of the Texas Department of Licensing and Regulation.
Their salons and barbershops have sanitary conditions, but their arms are not 6 feet long.
Spokeswoman Tila Mange says local tipsters are reporting the salon and the state's now investigating.
We actually have received more than 50 complaints, but we've opened 10 cases.
Still, those cases and these orders are not stopping Salon A La Mode.
I'm willing to take it to whatever level it needs to be.
Luther stayed open the rest of the day, and she'll be back Wednesday for her next round of clients.
Shelley Luther and some of her stylists knew there could be consequences.
I'm not paying this.
She says the city of Dallas wrote her a citation for opening Salon A La Mode and violating the shelter-in-place order.
It's not an admission of guilt that I signed it. It's just saying that they issued me the citation and that I will deal with it.
County Judge Clay Jenkins also took action, issuing a cease and desist letter this afternoon.
I could be used as an example, or they'll go away, or I don't know.
Despite the penalties, Luther opened her salon.
It's my business license that's kind of up for grabs today, I guess you might say.
One at a time, customers were given masks and had their temperatures taken.
97.1. Yeah, that's good.
Haircuts and manicures were ongoing, with a crowd of people outside supporting her.
This is much bigger than I thought it would be.
There could be more issues coming her way too. The Texas Department of Licensing and Regulation says immediate enforcement is up to local law enforcement, but administrative sanction and penalties from the state could still happen.
I'm not going to shut down, so that might cause an issue.
Luther says opening is her only option in this time of desperation.
Open up. It's your right.
In Dallas, I'm Tiffany Liu.
After defying orders and opening her business before legally allowed to, a Dallas salon owner is now in legal trouble with the city of Dallas. Shelley Luther got some national attention on Friday when she opened Salon A La Mode in North Dallas. And this weekend, she tore up a cease and desist letter demanding that she shut down. In a court filing today, the city of Dallas says if her business remains open, residents will suffer irreparable injury from the health effects caused by the risk of spread of COVID-19. But she says she's taking precautions that keep everyone safe.
I seriously am just baffled at how that can be dangerous for anyone, especially when coming soon you're going to be able to go into a movie theater and a bunch of other places that are not necessarily regulated and inspected like our salon is.
The City of Dallas is trying to force her to close immediately and stay closed until state law would allow her to reopen.